Hi folks, Ryan. Yeah, I've got this larch group what needs a haircut, but all I'm going to do is cut the long shoots back, because I really don't want to take nothing off it, because I don't like the composition of the trees. So at the end of the year I'll be repotting it and changing the composition, so I don't want to be taking something off which I could have in place when I sort the trees out, especially at the back. This tree here, it's lost all the branches from the middle up to the top third, so there's nothing there, which I've got plenty of larches on the bench I can replace with that one. Maybe it's the same with that one. It's a 7 tree group at the minute, so I can easily add more, make it thicker, more denser and better looking, because the way it is now it just looks like a pile of crap. So I'm just going to be pruning, and the way to prune a larch is just come in on an angle and cut. Try not to cut your needles, because if you chop your needles off they'll just brown and look shit. But come in from an angle and cut. Just wants to thin out, get some light in. So let's start on this one. Here I've got the main branch and I've got a secondary coming out in the same spot, which we don't want, so let's get rid of it. Same in there. Got multiple choices here on this one. I'm going to let that one grow and take the one off at the back, because it was growing inwards. As we come in at the branch here, we've got buds far too close to the trunk. I want to take them off. Pull them off. Here we've lost that branch in there. I'm just gonna get shot of it. There's a bud going straight down, so we'll take it off. The same as when he's going straight up, get rid of it. That'll go right in the junction of the branch to the trunk. So we'll take that out of there. Usually just pull out. Same in there. Probably need another haircut later on in the year. Like I say, I'm only cleaning it up until I find out what composition I'm going to have with the tree. These two are too close together down there, especially where that twists in and back out. Well, there's two in one spot. Make a decision and get rid of one. The bud too close to the trunk. Put them off. Obviously, I'm just cleaning the tree up to get some right in. I'll do a couple of more and I'll come back. So I've pruned a bit off now. You can see the light through it. Plenty of dye back on that there, which looks naff. And I've got a big gap from here to there, but we've got buds on the inside. A few little branches. So when I do change the composition, I might change that tray around or shorten it and put it in the background with these two over here, and that will shorten the dead wood. And we'll add some new trays to the front and sort these ones out. I like these two trays. These two trays is looking well. The main tray, I'm not too happy about that. But like I said, I'm only giving it a quick prune, and when we change it, the style of the first later on, might be able to sort something out where they all sit together better. Well, I bought this tray about 2 years ago, and all I've done is cut it. So I'll just keep pruning up the top, get that crown done, and that'll be it for this tray till the winter. Can't help it if you cut a couple of leaves, right? But you can just pluck them off when they're brown. Well, that'll be that for that. Just a little quick haircut. What you can do if you wanted, your pads, just run underneath with your scissors, clean them up a bit. On the trays which you know you keep them good. What's the one like them though? But once you buy it, you cannot be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. I see all this is daily in there, so what we'll do is we'll swap a few around in the winter and we'll see what we can make. A bit fun times in the winter. In the summer it's just feeding, pruning and weeding. It looks better like that. Big trees at the back, so it's pointless. Maybe still we just need it straightening up, but like I say, it's pointless because I want to change it. I said I wasn't cutting much off. I know, there's loads. I'll give you a look at that. Look. That's it for that. That's everything that's come off. Took a tiny bit off, like. Didn't think I was getting that much off. And get some light in now. That's just a little quick short video on pruning the larch growth. Like I say, there wasn't much done to it, just a haircut, because we would be changing it around. Just so we can get the light in and get a bit more growth and see what happens. So, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da.